Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one now. Right, today I've been doing a little bitting and bobbing really. I've been to the farm job, wired in the oven and hob as a temporary just to get them sorted for Christmas because their kitchen's not ready yet. And I've just popped in to see another client that had rewired their house. God, it must be coming up to 10 years ago. But he's having another garage door fitted, and it's a power door, needs a supply. So I've turned up and the client wants a few more sockets. So I thought, do you know what, whatever, I'm here. Let's see if I've got the stuff on the van. Let's get on with it. So that being said, we've got to change this one down here for a double. He wants an additional one here. He's got loads of Christmas tree stuff going on. Another one here and one down there where the board is. Let's go down here. Where the board is for the power down there. So nice little job. So I thought I'll get on with that, but and I'll show you how we go about doing that. So if you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, smash the link, do me a favour, and turn the notifications on. Happy days, and let's get stuck into it. Right, first things first, what I do when I'm doing this sort of job is I will always put my cables in first. Now, this is a little radial circuit, so what I mean by that is it comes from the board, up through the joist system, down here, drops down to that socket, up, down to another socket behind there, then back up and across, and then finishes there. So that's my last one. So like I say, it's been a long time since I've come here and I don't know whether anything else has been altered and messed with, don't know. So what I do now is, now I know that that is the last of the leg over there, so what I'm going to do is come from there, back up over this on the roof joists, and then I'll get the cables in. Okay, so what I always do is put the cables in last, at first, sorry, what am I on about, put them in first, and then I'll put my mattresses on, and then we'll wire up and test once we've all connected up. So what I'll do is I will set you up on time lapse. I'll put you on top of the garage door, so hopefully you can see everything that's going on. But what I'm going to do is use my DeWalt stapler. I bought that on the new build job, and to be honest, it's absolutely fantastic. Really pleased with that. Speeds the job up massively, so we'll get on with that. We'll use that to clip it all to the joists, and then I'm not sure, I think everything's just going to be surface clipped, I believe, on here. So yeah, I'll set you up in time lapse and then we'll get stuck in. Right, so that's the socket front on. Right, one of the things that I get asked quite often is how long do you leave the cables before, like, to dress them in? So what I normally do is, the way I was taught is that as long as they are come to like where your little finger is here, so if you do them that long, that'll be more than enough to go to either side. if it was just like an end of line, it's just got one in there, you want to go a little bit more, because don't forget you've got to turn them over on the back end, so you fold them back on themselves. So that is how I've always done it. But so that's pretty much where we're at with the job. It's all pretty much sorted. One of the things I do want to talk to you about is that little beauty. So this is the CRI 2300. So obviously it's made by Unilite. Now I'm not being paid at all to promote this, not one iota. Now with this, because we've fully paid for this, now I approached Unilite via Instagram, and I basically messaged them, said, look, on the other site we're struggling to see at night, it's not very safe for the lads, because they're just, you know, struggling to see as they're tidying up. I mean, we're in the winter, it's what, 4:10, and outside it's pitch black right now. So that being said, I got a message back very quickly, and they said, look, why don't you go for one of these? Then they gave them the option of putting the stand on. I mean, that stand was 45 quid. That's ridiculous. How good it is, so well made for 45 quid. It's mental, to be fair. So with that, and then we bought this on top, and I was that impressed with them that I ended up buying two. I've pinched this one, Sean's got the other one, and now Sean's actually saying, can we get a bigger one? The beauty of these, what I really do genuinely like, they do come with a lead, so you can plug it in. So you can plug it into here. It's all IP rated, I believe. So you can plug it in. It's a really nice fixing that goes in there. But also they run off battery. Now I've had this on for a little bit, to be fair, so it is running a bit low. But if you look at that, so I could carry on in here easily. If I turn the power off now for the lights, let's turn them off on here. So the lights are all off now. So they're all off. So I could easily carry on work with that safely. I haven't got to worry about it. I've got no power to that. It's all completely off. So if I turn that, sorry for blinding you. So that essentially is why we've bought these. Now, oh, I've got to blinding my eyes, to be fair. There's different colour settings and all sorts of bits and bobs that you can do on it. I don't know if you can tell that properly on the GoPro. But yeah, I mean, they are fantastic, and they look smart as well, to be honest. Let's face it, everyone knows me, knows I'm a bit of a tool tart. Now, I asked for a bit of information from Unilite, and they've been going since the early 80s. I want to say 82, 83. They're based in the Midlands as well, which is always a bonus. But they're brilliant. I'm hoping to do more and more work with them if possible. But yeah, so now that means that at night now, the lads are a lot safer. I haven't got to worry about it. I can still carry on going off to work. So if we're doing anything outside, equally like this, garage, perfect situation to be using this in. I can carry on. They do so many different versions of lights. It's mental. I didn't realise what half the stuff they did, to be honest. So yeah, if you are thinking of site lights, now for years we've always ran with just having like an IP rated strip light that we used to just put a big long lead on and used to crack on like that, and that was fine. That's what we used to use. But there's no way on earth that we would ever go back to that again. It's just, they are crap when you look at it. Now these are definitely the way to go. I mean, for us, I think we'll probably go and get the next one up from this, perhaps. So the lads, when they're working more outside, for me, inside work as my main role as an electrician, perfect. So yeah, so go and check them out. Like I say, it's not a sponsored video. It's not being, I've paid for this, so it's not like I've had anything out of this other than I just wanted to promote a good company. The service was brilliant. I think I had this the next day after, because it was late when I sorted it out, and the service has been fantastic. So I think it was Tim that I actually dealt with at Unilite, so thank you very much. I do appreciate the service. It was brilliant, and I'm looking forward to doing more and more work with you guys. But yeah, just wanted to show you that. So So yeah, in a nutshell now, this job is pretty much done and dusted. Like I said, it's a job in day today, so the video is going to be fairly short and sweet. So it is what it is. There's 4 double sockets gone in here. So yeah, so happy days. If you haven't subscribed, like I say, smash the link in the corner. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic Christmas, and I'll see you on the other side.